Hey, Jake Middleton here. Alright, let's take a look at the entertainment value of CMSapps. So there's a lot of really neat entertainment apps in here just for your fun. The first one here is tattoos. Yes, you can literally go and choose from a set of tattoos and put them on your SolidWorks screen. Really just to decorate it a little bit to make your everyday life a little bit easier and more fun. Select the tattoo that you want, click new, and then use the arrows to position it on your screen. You have a speed adjustment, so you can fine-tune it a little bit to get it just in the right position that you want. Now, when you're happy with it, don't forget to click the Save button right here, and it'll save the location of all your tattoos for next time you open up the tattoo app in SolidWorks. You can go and select any of that tattoos that you want, that you already have on there, and kind of adjust them later on too. So it always saves your position of them. So you can sort of build this, and over the course of a couple weeks or months, you can have some pretty fancy tattoo schemes, and it'll save all of those for you. So that's the tattoo app inside of SolidWorks, and here's the hide button. So the next entertainment app is called Follow Me, and it's very simple. It basically has a little icon of a little friend that follows you around. Really, that's all it does. When you move your mouse, it moves on the background below you, just to add a little bit of fun to your day. We have a bunch of different friends that you can choose from. Simply click Change Picture, choose a new icon, and now that friend will follow you around. You can show and hide it, so if it does get a little bit annoying or in the way, you can very easily hide it, but I find that it sometimes puts a smile on my face. So this is a neat one. It's the Like app. So if you wanted to go and increase the likes of one of your parts, or if you wanted to sort of have a voting contest, it creates a like custom property, and it'll keep track of the likes. Now, of course, you can link this to your document on your drawing. So maybe throughout the course of the year, you can see which parts people liked or they used the most. Here's a neat one. Moon weight. How much does this part weigh on the moon? Well, how much does it weigh on Mars? Pretty neat. I always wondered that, so I thought I'd build these two apps just to tell us now. This one, mass hysteria. Funny pun. Basically, it looks at the mass of your part and tells you how much it weighs based on other common objects, like an aardvark. Who doesn't need a hula girl? I don't even need to say anything else at this point. We all need a hula girl. A hula girl, of course. Looking at her, obviously I got my tongue twisted there a little bit. But yes, basically as you move your mouse, the hula girl moves her hips a little bit, and if you ever stop moving your mouse, she stops. So it kind of motivates you to keep working a little bit harder. Mega Refresher, this one sends out a refresh signal to SolidWorks at a given interval. So if you're making changes, you don't have to keep clicking that red-green stoplight all the time. Mega Refresher will automatically do it for you. The next one, UI Bling. Basically the same as Tattoo, but for the ladies. We have a lot more gems, different colors, and the same sort of idea applies, where you select the gem that you want and you click the new button and it will put that on screen. Then simply use the arrows to position it wherever you'd like that gem to go, and don't forget to save it. It'll again save all the locations of your gems, so that way you can open them up the next time you run the UI Bling. My Gems contains all the gems you currently have, and you can always go and adjust the position of those to kind of tweak them. And again, I would love if any of the ladies use this app. If you could send me a screenshot of however you get these gems to look after a month, I would love to see how you bedazzle and bling out your screens. I would just love to see some really neat looking screens from the ladies. So send me a screen capture. My contact information you can get by clicking on the upper right corner, the globe icon, little world. And who doesn't need disco? This is a neat app. It literally puts a disco ball in your screen. Now when you move your mouse over top of the disco, you'll actually get some nice retro disco music. When you move it away, it'll stop. It's always nice to kind of brighten your day up a little bit with a little bit of music to groove to. The last and my favorite, the text-based game that I wrote inside of SolidWorks. Now this is actually literally a text-based adventure game where you have to type in your answer, navigate through a world called Metal Cities. Your goal is to power on the city again so that way you can escape. Type in anything that you want and the system will respond and it'll save your progress. So again, those were the entertainment apps inside CMSapps, and I'm Jake Middleton. Have a great day.